बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इसमें भी मैं जो जॉब्स आपको बताऊँगी वो 12 मार्च 2023 को रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार के अखबार में आई थी। तो चलिए जी पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसमें जो पहली जॉब है वो है सोई सदर्न गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड। एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी पोजीशन पढ़ रही हूँ मैं, मेडिकल सर्विस पोजीशन, मिनिमम क्वालिफ़िकेशन मेडिकल सर्विसेज पोजीशन मेडिकल ऑफिसर कराची, जॉब कोड 8192-01, MBBS with at least 2 years of experience. Candidates having MCPS shall be preferred. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/careers for details/job https://www.ssgc.com.pk/careers careers for details/job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. ये 12 मार्च को पब्लिश हुआ है. The employment will be on contractual basis for 3 years, which may be renewed on discretion of the management based on company's requirement and individual's performance. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. अच्छा जी, दूसरी जो जॉब है वो है मारी पेट्रोलियम कंपनी लिमिटेड। मारी बोलते हैं या मारी बोलेंगे मेरे ख्याल से। तो 21 मोवे एरिया 3rd रोड सेक्टर G फॉर गन -10/10/4 इस्लामाबाद पाकिस्तान www.mpcl.com.pk www.mpcl.com.pk मारी पेट्रोलियम कंपनी लिमिटेड। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट पोजीशन QS सुपरवाइज़र मैरी फील्ड दहारकी। Job summary: an experienced site supervisor to oversee construction projects and supervise the construction team. The responsibilities mainly include but may not be limited to supervision of all personnel on the job site. अच्छा, इनकी मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस BTech/DAE ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ सिविल or a similar area of study as a full-time student from an HEC recognized institute/board. Must have minimum 5 years relevant experience, preferably with oil and gas industry. Hands-on experience on latest civil technology/tools including total station ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है should be expert in taking coordinates and preparing sketch in CAD, dumpy level and GPS ब्रैकेट में है sufficient knowledge in operating with survey team with proficient in MS Office and good skills in Google Earth. अच्छा, दूसरी पोजीशन है वो है ड्राफ्ट्समैन मारी फील्ड दहारकी। जॉब समरी एंड एक्सपीरियंस Revit draftsman/AutoCAD expert who shall be required to develop and prepare construction drawings, detailed drawings and as-built drawings using AutoCAD and Revit software. The responsibilities mainly include calculating costs, interpret data for designs and visit construction sites to take note of geographic features of the area. PQ session shall report to DM projects/senior project engineer and coordinate with other technical personnel and work with construction and production teams. Minimum qualification and experience BTech/DAE civil or a similar area of study as a full-time students from an HEC recognized institute/board must have minimum 8 years relevant experience in preparing cost estimates and proposals ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferably in oil and gas ब्रैकेट में petrochemical industry with expertise/command on software such as AutoCAD ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2D and 3D Corel Draw Civil CD SketchUp-3D proficient in MS Office and good skills in Google Earth. तीसरी पोजीशन है एक्सरे टेक्नीशियन मारी फील्ड दहार की जॉब समरी एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्सरे टेक्नीशियन हु शैल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू वर्क एट MMC ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मारी मेडिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स /MPCL क्लिनिक The responsibilities mainly include X-ray of patients as advised by doctor, maintenance of X-ray machine and associated accessories and film processor in MPCL clinic. Minimum qualification and experience SSC ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है साइंस with 3 years diploma in nursing ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है including 1 year X-ray technician training as a full-time student from a recognized institute/nursing council must have minimum 5 years relevant experience. Dispenser Mari Field Dahar ki job summary. An experienced dispenser who shall be required to work at MMC ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मारी मेडिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स The responsibilities mainly include dispensing the medicines to the patients attending at Mari Medical Complex MMC and to maintain electromedical equipments at MMC. ये मैंने जो आपको वैकेंसीज बता रही हूँ ये मैं डिस्पेंसर मारी फील्ड दहार की डिस्पेंसर भी चाहिए ये मैं डिस्पेंसर मारी फील्ड दहार की ये उसकी जॉब समरी है कि जॉब समरी एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड डिस्पेंसर who shall be required to work at MMC Mari Medical Complex. Responsibilities mainly include dispensing the medicines to the patient attending at Mari Medical Complex MMC and to maintain electromedical equipments at MMC. ये डिस्पेंसर मारी फील्ड के लिए मैंने जॉब समरी पढ़ी और इनकी मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए SSC साइंस ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है विथ 3 years diploma in nursing ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है including 1 year dispenser training as a full-time student from a recognized institute/nursing council must have minimum 5 years relevant experience. Only online applications will be accepted. Please visit https://mpcl.com.pk/vacancies /to apply ऑनलाइन में दोबारा पढ़ देती हूँ https://mpcl.com.pk/vacancies to apply online. Candidates with Sindh domicile will be preferred. Last date to apply March 19, 2023. Please note that only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Manager HR Operations and Rewards Mari Petroleum Company Limited 21, Movi area, 3rd Road, G for Gun -10 G10/4 Islamabad. Website www.mpcl.com.pk www.mpcl.com.pk. जी इसके अलावा एक और जॉब आई हुई है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बेनज़ीर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ यूरोलॉजी एंड ट्रांसप्लांटेशन BIUT and Sin Institute of Urology and Transplantation SIUT. Nawabshah is a 300-bedded tertiary healthcare hospital established with a mission to provide free of cost medical cover to the patients with renal and related diseases. Career opportunities. We are looking for energetic and enthusiastic professionals who have passion and a desire to make a positive difference in patient care. Urology assistant professor, associate professor / professor eligibility FCPS or equivalent in urology with minimum 3/5/10 years post fellowship experience. SR. Lecturer eligibility FCPS or equivalent in urology and minimum 2 years post fellowship experience. Lecturer eligibility FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश और इक्विवेलेंट इन यूरोलॉजी. नेफ्रोलॉजी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, नेफ्रोलॉजी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर / प्रोफेसर eligibility FCPS or equivalent in nephrology with minimum 3 to 5 10 years post fellowship experience. SR. Lecturer eligibility FCPS or equivalent in nephrology with minimum 2 years post fellowship experience. Lecturer eligibility FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश और equivalent in nephrology. Pathology assistant professor, associate professor / professor eligibility FCPS or equivalent in pathology with minimum 3 to 5 10 years post fellowship experience. SR. Lecturer eligibility FCPS or FCPS or equivalent in pathology with minimum 2 years post fellowship experience. Lecturer eligibility FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश और इक्विवेलेंट इन पैथोलॉजी. एनेस्थीसिया असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है प्रोफेसर. एलिजिबिलिटी FCPS और इक्विवेलेंट इन एनेस्थीसिया विथ मिनिमम 3 to 5 10 years पोस्ट फेलोशिप एक्सपीरियंस. एक और है SR. Lecturer eligibility FCPS और equivalent in anesthesia with minimum 2 years post fellowship experience. Lecturer eligibility FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश और equivalent in anesthesia specialist. Eligibility MCPS/DA in anesthesiology. Consultant eligibility MCPS in anesthesiology with 5 years post MCPS experience. SR. RMO eligibility training of MCPS and anesthesiology completed. Radiology assistant professor, associate professor / professor eligibility FCPS or equivalent in radiology with minimum 3/5/10 years 3/5/10 years post fellowship experience. SR. Lecturer eligibility FCPS or equivalent in radiology with minimum 2 years post fellowship experience. Consultant / specialist eligibility MCPS/DMRD in radiology with some relevant experience. Cardiologist eligibility MCPS or DIP card with 1 to 2 years post MCPS experience. Sonologist eligibility bachelor's in science with cardiac technology course certification completed and at least 2 years experience in cardiac echocardiogram. Okay. We offer a market competitive salary, perks and a growth oriented work environment. If you are interested in joining our dynamic team, please send your updated resume at biutsiut.hr@gmail.com. B for BIUT, B for ball, I for ice, U for urology, T for test, S for surgeon, I for Iqbal, U for urology, T for test, BIUT SIUT.HR, H for help, r4resource@gmail.com, latest by April 07, 2023. ओनली शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विल बी कॉन्टैक्टेड। जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। आज के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।